Hello, y'all. Welcome to week 7, week 8, and week 9. I'm opening all 3 of these for you because during these 3 weeks we are going to be working exclusively on your research paper, the one that you started in week 6 when you wrote the proposal. Now you've already seen the Works Cited page and you've already started doing some research. You see I've got it open right here. And I want to go over the assignments for the next 3 weeks. There's no forum actually any of these 3 weeks, but you have a works cited draft. Notice it's a draft, not necessarily your finished bibliography, but just what you're thinking of right now, which is due Sunday of week 7. Then week 8, you will do a rough draft. Your rough draft is due on Friday of that week. Just one second, let me get you. Friday of this week, shared through Google Docs with your group members and with me. Nothing goes through Moodle. So you've got until Friday to turn in your rough draft. It will be in your best interest to have it as complete as possible. Be sure that you have shared it with your group members and with me. And then week 9, your final research paper. Yay! 2 things required then. One is to peer edit at least 2 of your group members' rough drafts due Wednesday. You will have received everything by Friday of the week before of week 8. So you'll have half a week to look at least 2 people's papers, hopefully get ideas from them. That will be due on Wednesday. Get ideas for yourself from other people's peer edits of your work, and then your final research paper is due Sunday. And 2 more weeks left in the class. A few smaller assignments, we'll talk about them later. Let me know if you have any questions or problems. I just wanted to get you a general overview of what's coming up.